Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video and I'm so excited to see you guys tuning in to my e-commerce videos and actually just talk.
Hey guys, I just forgot to say this. Please just like and subscribe to my channel, and it just helps me with the algorithm. So please just like and subscribe.
Video and I'm so excited to see you guys tuning in to my e-commerce videos and actually just talking more about a broad overview of the industry, how everything is working, how to utilize digital marketing into today's space. And yeah, I just want to talk about this. Recently I was in college for like 6 months, and I kind of just realized that I just say fuck it. I'm dropping out, and yeah. So in the process where I was still in college, I actually discovered dropshipping, but like I didn't really know a lot about dropshipping like I do now. I actually thought the idea out, and turned out that the idea already existed, and it's huge. It's a huge market that I didn't even know of. That's how I just discovered dropshipping as a whole. So I just want to encourage you guys to actually tune into my videos and just see the content that I have to offer you. Because there's so much you're gonna learn on this channel about how to build your skeleton, your store skeleton, how to find winning products, how to utilize Facebook ads, which apps to use, even just minor things to look out for.
Guys, one more thing, I forgot to say that I only do Shopify dropshipping. I only do Shopify dropshipping. So yeah, just keep it in mind.
Just how to grow your I would say your entrepreneurial capacity, like yeah, just something like that. But anyway, guys, I didn't really prepare for this video. I'm just speaking from my head right now. So I would just appreciate it if you guys can just subscribe and just like below. Yeah, I'm so excited, and welcome, guys.